Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Magnus Carlsen and Hikaru Nakamura. This game was played in the Netherlands in 2013. Magnus Carlsen had white pieces and he started with e4. Hikaru Nakamura played c5, the Corsica defense. I mean the Sicilian defense. Knight to f3. Knight to c6, d4, c takes on d4, knight takes on d4, e5, Kalashnikov variation, knight to b5 intending knight to d6, d6, white to move, knight to c3, c4, and a4 are the three most played moves. Magnus Carlsen played g3, less known and less popular move, but this is normal for Magnus Carlsen. This move was considered not to be a problem for black. Well, it was not a problem before this game. Black to move. Standard moves are bishop to e7 and bishop to e6. Hikaru Nakamura played h5, also a less known variation, but this is also normal for Nakamura. Nakamura loves to play moves like this one. Knight from 1 to c3, a6 attacking the knight, knight to a3, b5 threatening b4, knight to d5, knight from g to e7, bishop to g2, bishop to g4 attacking the queen, f3, bishop to e7, c3, making the room for the knight to come back, h4, knight to c2, bishop takes on d5, e takes on d5, knight to a5, f4, knight to f5, pressure is on the pawn on g3, g4, h3, bishop to e4, knight to h4. Well, queen to h4 check also comes to mind. And then probably king goes to f1, knight may go to e7, knight to b4 or queen to f3. Let's say queen to f3. White lost castling rights. How important is that? Well, it would be better if white could have castled. So queen to h4 perhaps would be a stronger move. But this one on the surface looks very good. Knight to h4, Magnus Carlsen castled, kingside. g6, king to h1, bishop to g7, f5, keeping the dark squared bishop out of business. G takes on f5, g takes on f5, and now knight to g2. What is interesting about this move is that this knight looks very impressive on g2. However, the knight is not dangerous, and Carlsen simply works around the knight. f6, bishop to f8. If bishop takes on f6, queen f3, and black is in trouble. Bishop to f8, queen to f3, white is standing better. Queen to c7, if knight to c4, b3, let's say knight to b6, knight to b4, and white is better. Queen to c7, knight to b4, knight to b7, knight to c6, knight to c5, bishop to f5, keeping the light square bishop, knight to d7, attacking the pawn on f6, defending, attacking the defender, queen to h5. Nakamura is being slowly strangled. Knight to b6, attacking the pawn on d5. How would you defend the pawn? Carlsen found a brilliant way to defend it. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white in this position. What did you find? Did you find this move? Bishop to e6, attacking and defending. White pieces are dangerously placed around black king and black must be careful. Let's play a random move just to show you how slippery it is for black. If say rook to g6, then white has this combination available. Queen takes on g6, f takes on g6, f7, check, queen must take, then rook takes on f7, and black is paralyzed. Back to our game. So, Nakamura decided to sacrifice the exchange in order to unpin and even win the knight on c6. Queen takes rook, f takes on e6, and now as you can see, if pawn takes pawn on e6, queen takes knight on c6. So how would you continue in this position if you had white pieces? Please pause again and find the best move for white. What did you find? White played a move and black resigned, and the move is d takes on e6. Nakamura resigned. In view of this continuation, queen takes on c6, and there is checkmate in one. f7, checkmate. Nakamura is a very strong player, but in this game he didn't look so. And what about Carlsen? He picks a side opening, and then he demolishes his opponent. How can one man have so much talent? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.